Welcome back to everyone. I am Rohan Sharma and today in this video we will learn about the prehistoric cultures in India. That is a very important topic for all the competitive exam. So we will briefly cover this. So let's start. First we will divide history into four parts. First one is the Paleolithic Old Stone Age, and if we talk about the time period of this age, that is a 2.5 million BC to 8000 BC. Second one is the Mesolithic, which is also known as the Middle Stone Age, 9000 BC and 4000 BC. Neolithic, which is also known as a New Stone Age, if we talk about the time period, that is a 7000 BC to 1000 BC. Last one is the Chalcolithic Age. It consists of a 2100 BC to 700 BC. So first we will cover Paleolithic Old Stone Age in detail. So let's start. If we talk about the Paleolithic period, which is also known as the Old Stone Age, and if we talk about the period, that is a 2.5 million BC to 8000 BC, and it is considered that Paleolithic period was the part of a ice age, and ice age means 1 lakh to 8000 BC. So use of fire was started during this time. That is the first one achievement of a humans in this age. Use of a land bridges was found during this period. Use tools such as a axe, cleaver, scrapers made out of basically bones and stone. If we talk about the habitation and occupation of this age, so they were basically hunters and gatherers. They were nomadic people, no settled life and no knowledge of agriculture. They were living shelter in caves, and cave paintings are found from these times. There are about 800 rock shelters in Bhimbetka, Madhya Pradesh. So basically if you visit in the Bhimbetka, Madhya Pradesh, you will find that Bhimbetka is the representative of a Paleolithic period, which is also known as the Old Stone Age, and 500 of which bear paintings. Now we will see the important sites which represent the Paleolithic age. So first one is the Bilan Valley, which is located in Uttar Pradesh. Second one is Sohan Valley, present day Pakistan. Third one is the Rajasthan Thar Desert. And if we talk about the world sites which represent the Paleolithic age, that is Africa, and second one is the Western Europe. Now we will talk about the Mesolithic period, which is also known as a Middle Stone Age, and if we talk about the period, that is a 9000 BC to 4000 BC. After the Paleolithic age, the climate became warm and dry in this age, and climate change also resulted in changes in flora and fauna, changes in the plant species, changes in the animal species. So this made it possible for human beings to move to new areas, and it is considered that was a transitional period, intermediate period between the Paleolithic and Neolithic periods. So thus it is also sometimes referred as the Late Stone Age. Now we will talk about the tools that were used in this age. So that is the blades, daggers, spearheads, crescents, arrowheads, triangles, sickles, trapezies, etc. Now we will talk about the Indian sites which represent this age. That is a Bagor, located in Rajasthan, had a microlithic industry. Adamgarh, Madhya Pradesh, earliest evidence of a domestication of animals. Lalganj, located in Gujarat, earliest evidence of burial of dead are found. Now we will talk about the Neolithic period, which is also known as a New Stone Age. If we talk about the period, that consists of a 7000 BC to 2500 BC. Tools were used, that is the polished stone tools were used. Burins, saws, chisels were found. Black burnished ware, grey ware and matte impressed ware used in pottery. You can see in the screen below, that is basically pottery, which is a black burnished ware, and burins, saws, chisels were found because they were basically made from the stones. Systematic agriculture was found and was started, that was made possible due to change in the climate. Climate was warm. Use of a fertilizer, sickle, pottery in agriculture. Slash and burn system was used. Basically slash and burn system is also known as a shifting cultivation. So basically slash and burn system considered that a shifting cultivation. So they knew the cultivation in this age. Horse gram and ragi were cultivated in this age. Wheel was discovered in this age. Domestication of cattle, sheep and goats were found. Evidence of dogs, pigs and chickens are also found. Fire baked earth pots are found at many places. If we talk about the important sites which represent this age, that is a Wurzaham 2700 BC Kashmir, Guf Karal 2000 BC Kashmir, Chirand 2000 BC near Patna, fourth one is the south of Godavari river, and hills of Assam, Garo hills located in Meghalaya. Last one is the Chalcolithic age, and if we talk about the period, so 2100 BC to 700 BC, and more of a transitional period between the Neolithic and the Bronze Age. Because human found use of copper, stone tools was found. Main tools of this period were made of both stones and copper. Copper was the main achievement of humans in this age. Mainly involved in farming activities, unique feature of this era was their burial practice. Some important Indian sites of this era include Giland, Rajasthan, Balathal, Rajasthan, Ahar, Rajasthan. So that is the overall discussion of a prehistoric cultures of India. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you very much.